Hey, what's happening, guys? Eric here from EM Motors and Launch Vans. Just wanted to do a quick video of 2019 Sprinter we just finished up. It's a 19 144 standard roof, 4-wheel drive. Just finished the conversion. Has the luminous rack and ladder, a couple hundred watts of solar up top, which is expandable. And then we have the front CA tuned off-road bumper with the Smitty built wireless winch, LP6s in amber, and then we have the Black Rhino York wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires. Super sweet. Got the 5th on the back on the Alvan tire carrier, which I'll show you in a second. But yeah, super sweet van. It's graphite gray, LED headlights. There's 2 settings on those LP6s. Those are on the disperse setting. You can also have a spot setting. But yeah, do a quick little walk around. T-vent window on this side from CR Lawrence. Looks really good. Getting that Alvan tire carrier, super stout, and they look really good. With a matching Black Rhino York wheel, LED tail lights or partial tail lights there, luminous ladder. 200 watts of solar, max fan Deluxe with remote, 10 speed in and out. Plenty of room to come up here, rooftop tent, hang out, whatever you want to do up top here for gear. Like I said, pretty loaded from the factory. Heated seats, swivel factory seats on this end. We'll go inside, open the back. Just got back, wanted to put a couple laps in here at the Eagle Bike Park before it got dark and shoot the little video to show you guys. So in the garage area we have a custom fold-away bed, so it's attached to the wall on that side and just hinges and spans across here. Super simple design, but it's able to get out of your way quickly, so you can throw your mountain bike, dirt bikes in the van really quickly without having to mess around with putting panels somewhere. And then we wanted to do just a kind of simple, you know, kind of simple everyday toy hauler type bike or type van. So you can just throw your toys in there, go. If you want to crash and sleep in it for a weekend or something like that, no problem there. But we did add, or we can add more items to this. We don't have a seat in here because some of our customers don't want one, so we chose to not mount a seat in here in case someone bought it that didn't want it, but we can put an auxiliary seat in. A single, 2 captains, 2-seater. We use the 2-seater fold up as well, that folds up against the wall or into the doorway depending on which side you want to go. We can put a galley in here still with a full-size fridge, like an isotherm 130 with a full sink and countertop there, so that can be added. And then also we can add a water system if you want with a rear shower and wash station. So lots of upgrades that you can still do to this, but we wanted to keep it simple and keep the cost down up front in case you can use it just the way it is. So plenty of USB outlets and a couple USBs there, and then we have a cigarette version for pumps and things like that. Another one on this side towards the door there. Got the GoPower 30 amp solar controller that is Bluetooth, so you can hook to your phone, just kind of see what the solar's doing. We have a lithium 100 amp hour lithium battery, which is super sweet. Again, keeping it inside the wheel well box here, so that it stays nice and toasty and accessible with your fuse panel. We have the new Espar S2 heater under the passenger seat, so that thing will keep you nice, as hot as you want to be in the winter time. And then yeah, so right now this box is just strictly storage inside. This pulls and open, and this one as well is pretty much storage, and then the little end one is the access to your battery and fuses. So super cool. Let me open the slider. So I like to just throw my bike against the seat, keep it simple, but if it was my permanent van, I'd set it up something a little more permanent. Some people, I like those 1UP USA bike trays. You can put a shucks and slide out tray in the back if you wanted, which we can add, FYI. I got a little 12-volt fridge back here, so you can keep the drinks and some snacks and food for a trip. We like to put a switch to turn the lights off here, and then if you're in bed, you can reach this one here, along with the thermostat for the heater, and then the switch for the garage lights is back there in the back. But let me pop my bike out here. I'll fold the bed down so I can't do it one-handed, and I'll be right back and show you that. All right, so I got the bike out, got the bed folded down. Kind of get a good look at it. Swivel the other seat around. You can mount a lagoon table somewhere if you want. So yeah, tons of storage still. Recess L track in the front and back. We'll have a mattress in here. It's almost finished. That comes with the van. So yeah, super simple. It just hinges. Let's see if I can do a little bit of this. It just hinges and folds up against the wall. Set that down. But anyway, it just kind of hinges. Nice custom design. It's just quick and easy, simple. You always have a dedicated spot for your bed, and your mattresses can go right next to that side on the wheel well box, or on this side, and just tie them down. It'll be a 3-piece mattress, so easy to handle. But yeah, I think that's about it. But factory, like I said, factory loaded. It's got the 10-inch touchscreen, 360-degree camera, super sweet, 4 high and 4 low, heated seats, the swivels. What more do you want? It's ready for some adventures or some upgrades. Let us know, guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. You can check out our website for the dealership portion, emmotorsboise.com. Our YouTube channel is EM Motors Boise as well, so you can check out our other videos of some of the other builds that we've done. Let us know what you think, and let us know if you're interested. You can give us a call, 208-853-AUTO at the dealership, and talk to Celeste, or probably Celeste, since she's there most of the time at the shop. I'm at the shop. So appreciate you guys taking a look. Hope everybody's safe. Happy Thanksgiving. Got a nice little moon.